Pete Jordan here with Ultimate Green Lights. What I want to do today is show you a little bit about what products we offer and how to eliminate putting 110 in the water. A lot of times 110 goes in the water when it's really not necessary, and the less power we have in the water, probably the safer it's going to be. To start with, I'll show you our products. These are green underwater fishing lights. We have three sizes: a 18 watt, a 45, and a 70 watt. These are all 12 volt units. This is a black light. Now, what I run into a lot of times, people say, well, do you have 110? I do in certain products, but I don't like to put those out in certain areas. So what we're going to do today is show you how to take a simple converter. This one here happens to be a 5 amp converter. We're going to convert 110 down to 12 volts so you can safely put these lights in the water. As you can see, in most of these parts you buy at Home Depot. I'll explain what they are. This is the converter. This is an 1.5 inch conduit plastic for a junction on any power. You buy it at any Home Depot or electrical supply. This is a 1 inch PVC coupling, and then these are waterproof connectors to screw right into here. So it's really quite simple. I've already done this end of it, and what I've done is just put a pigtail so I can plug it on, plug it off, take it with me if I want to go fishing, and put my alligator plants back on, hook it to a battery, or I can plug it into here, either one. So this one's done. It creates a watertight fit in there. Of course, you're messing with this. Take and feed it through here and make our connection, and now we're just going to hook all these back together, and if I did it right, it should work. And what we're trying to do here is create a waterproof holder for this converter that we're converting 110, your dock power, into 12 volt, so we can safely put these lights down in the water and know that we're not harming ourselves or anybody else. Hopefully this video will be good for somebody that'll want to do something like this. And we just slide this heat shrink up over these so we don't, and then we'll heat them up so we don't have any problems. You can do this with a cigarette lighter or any flame as well. So then, all we got to do is feed this into here, like so. Put this wire into here. And then get a little stubborn. Now when you tighten all this up, it should create a waterproof holder for this unit. Of course, you screw this down on here like so. Just a couple of screws, there's a seal on there. Creates a watertight holder for that unit to set in. And now, to show you that it actually works, all we have to do is, again, I just put a quick connect on here, and there we have it. Just drop that over your dock, let it stay in there ever how long you want to, and you can attract fish and show all the grandkids what's underwater. Now, my lights are a little different than most. Wow, that's bright. Let me turn this thing off. My lights are not a hollow cylinder with lights in them. They're a solid aluminum heat sink, epoxied over, so there's no water getting in this light, so it should last a long time. Only light on the market that offers a 1-year replacement warranty, as long as it's used properly. Well, that's all I have for that. But if you were like wanted to do multiples on your dock, then you would step up to a different type converter. This is a 4-lead 110 12 volt converter. I've fixed a wire here. You just plug this up, and you can do the same thing with this, but you can use several. You can put as many as 8 lights on this thing, maybe even more, depending on what wattage of lights you were getting. There we go. You could also, this is another light that we offer as well. You could do the same thing with this. You notice I'm handling this 12 volt like it's nothing. That's because that's what it is. It's no real problem there at all. There we go. Again, that's an underwater stainless steel light. It's for a different type application. That's to make your dock look cool. And again, I put it on just a quick connect. You could easily add these on there along with those, so you can have 2 ways to run it. It's a simple process just to cut and crimp. Hopefully that's been helpful for you guys. Hope to see you soon. UltimateGreenLights.com.